Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix camera not scanning QR code on iPhone. First, make sure QR code scanner is turned on. For that, go to the settings. In the search bar, type camera. Now check the scan QR code is switched on. Next, check your camera lens. If the lens is dirty or removed, the camera may not scan properly. Clean it with gentle soft cloth and try again. Now open the camera app. Make sure you are using a rear camera, not front camera. Hold your phone steady and place the QR code clearly inside the frame. If it still doesn't work, check your software update. For that, go back to the setting, tap on General, tap on Software Update, install the update. If an outdated software can cause the problem. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.